Human cognition is a complex and multifaceted process that involves the generation of thoughts and ideas. While it may initially seem that each thought is unique and original, a closer examination reveals that thoughts are shaped by a myriad of influences, limiting their absolute originality. One of the fundamental factors that restrict the originality of thoughts is the role of human experience. From the moment we enter the world, we are exposed to a vast array of external stimuli that shape our thinking processes. Our interactions with others, educational experiences, cultural practices, and exposure to media all contribute to the accumulation of knowledge and perspectives. As we navigate through life, these experiences become an integral part of our mental framework, serving as a foundation upon which new ideas are built. However, our experiences also act as a filter, constraining the emergence of thoughts that deviate too far from the familiar. While our unique experiences provide us with diverse perspectives, the influence of these experiences often prevents us from attaining true originality in our thoughts. Cultural and social conditioning exerts a powerful influence on the formation of our thoughts. Society instills in its members a set of norms, values, and belief systems that become deeply ingrained in our thinking processes. These shared beliefs create a framework within which our thoughts are generated, providing a common ground for understanding and communication. Cultural conditioning ensures that we adhere to established conventions, while social conditioning shapes our behavior and thinking to conform to societal expectations. Consequently, our thoughts are inherently influenced by the prevailing cultural and social context in which we live. Even when we challenge or question societal norms, our countercultural thoughts are often influenced by existing ideas, serving as a departure point rather than achieving absolute originality. Thoughts do not emerge in isolation but are heavily influenced by the vast pool of pre existing knowledge. Throughout history, human civilization has accumulated a wealth of information and ideas which are readily accessible through various mediums such as books, research papers, and the internet. When we engage in thought processes, we draw upon this reservoir of knowledge, whether consciously or unconsciously. Our thoughts often build upon existing concepts, adapting and expanding upon them rather than emerging as entirely original creations. While we may introduce slight variations or reinterpretations, the interconnectedness of ideas make it rare to conceive entirely novel concepts devoid of any connection to prior knowledge. Rather than pursuing complete originality, human thought often involves creative synthesis and adaptation of existing ideas. As individuals, we possess the ability to combine different elements from various sources, integrating them into novel perspectives or solutions. This process of creative synthesis enables us to build upon the work of others, contributing to the collective body of knowledge. It allows for innovation and progress as we refine and evolve existing ideas to meet new challenges. This collaborative nature of thought underscores the interdependence of ideas and the impossibility of achieving absolute originality in isolation. While the notion of every thought being an original creation may be enticing, a comprehensive examination reveals the intricate factors that contribute to the lack of complete originality. Human experience, cultural and social conditioning, the influence of pre existing knowledge, and the process of creative synthesis all shape our thoughts, limiting their absolute originality. Rather than diminishing the value of our thoughts, understanding and acknowledging these influences underscore the interconnectedness of ideas and the significance of collective knowledge in shaping our understanding of the world. By embracing these influences, we foster intellectual growth and contribute to the continued evolution of human thought. That's all for this one. I will see you in the next video.